Walking can offer a lot of health benefits to people of all ages and fitness level. It may also help to prevent certain diseases and even prolong your life. Walking is free to do and easy to fit into your daily routine. All you need to do is start walking in a sturdy pair of walking shoes. Stay up to the end of the video to learn about some of the benefits of walking. And here we go. Walking can help you burn calories. Burning calories can help you maintain your weight loss. Your actual calorie burn will depend on several factors, including walking speed, distance covered, terrain, your weight. You can determine your actual calorie burn throughout a calorie calculator. Walking at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, can reduce the risk of coronary heart diseases about 19%, and your risk may reduce even more when you increase the duration or distance of walking per day. Taking a short walk after eating may help to reduce your blood sugar level. Taking 15 minutes walk 3 times a day improve blood sugar level more than taking 45 minutes walk at another point during the day. Walking can help to protect the joints, including your knees and your hips. That because it helps to lubricate and strengthen the muscle that support the joints. Walking 5 to 6 miles a week may also prevent arthritis. Walking may reduce your risk for developing a cold or flu. One study tracked 1,000 adults during flu season. Those who walked moderate pace for 30 to 45 minutes a day had 43% fewer sickness and fewer upper respiratory tract infection overall. Try to walk daily to experience these benefits. Going for a walk when you are tired may be a more effective energy boost than grabbing a cup of tea. Walking increases oxygen flow through the body. It can also increase the level of cortisol and other hormones that help to elevate energy levels. Walking can help your mental health. Study shows it can reduce anxiety and depression and a negative mood. It can also boost self-esteem and reduce symptoms of social withdrawal. Aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking. Walking at a faster pace could extend your life. Researchers found that walking at an average pace compared to the slower pace resulted in a 20% reduced risk of overall death, but walking on a faster pace reduced the risk by 24%. Walking can strengthen the muscle in your legs to build up more strength. Walk in a hilly area or a treadmill with an incline or find routes to stairs. Also do cycling or jogging. Walking may help you clear your head and help you to think creatively. The researchers could find that walking opens up a free flow of ideas and is a simple way to increase creativity and get physical activities at the same time. Try to initiate a walking meeting with your colleagues next time when you are stuck on problems at work.